A strong thunderstorm hit Del Rio, Texas, on Tuesday night,
causing heavy rain and wind gusts,
reaching between
66 and 85 miles per hour,
the storms moved swiftly across Val Verde County.
leading to significant weather disruptions in the area.
This report by Karen Gleason
For the 830 times,
highlights the urgency of the situation as local residents cope with the aftermath of the severe weather.